In today's video, I will show you how to wrap a single rose and make it very special. I will show you two ways of wrapping. Prepare your roses first. Remove the thorns, tape it with some baby's breath, and then add some water source. Cover the wet cotton with some aluminum foil and insert that in a plastic cover and then tie it with a rubber band or tape it with a sellotape. Once you prepared your rose, you can insert that in a cellophane paper cover. This one I got it from my florist. This is optional. You can straight away wrap the rose with the wrapping paper also. To make your single rose very special, choose a beautiful wrapping paper. I found this wrapping paper online. It has beautiful beads at the rim. Wrap your beautiful wrapping paper around the rose and tie it with a rubber band or sellotape. Finish your bouquet with a beautiful silk ribbon bow. Now I will show you how to wrap the second method. For this, I am using a plain paper, so I am decorating the bottom with some beautiful silk ribbon. This time I am choosing a beautiful plain wrapping paper with LED lights. The paper is a bit bigger for the single rose, so I have to fold it from the bottom little bit. Fluff it nicely and finish it with a beautiful silk ribbon bow. Our bouquet is ready. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Thanks for watching.